To download Facebook on your Android tablet, you'll first need to locate the Google Play Store, which looks like this. If your tablet is like mine and doesn't have the Play Store icon on the home screen, you can swipe up to reveal your app drawer and locate the Play Store from there. The app drawer could have multiple pages. Mine is on the first page, so I'll open the Play Store from here. This is your marketplace for all the apps on your Android tablet. If you're logged into a Google account, you're all set and ready to start downloading. If you're not logged in, you'll be asked to either log in or create an account first. On the left, you'll have categories for apps, books, games, and kids content. And within the app page, for example, you can browse all the recommended and featured apps, top downloads, etc. If you know what you're looking for, you can use the search. I'll search for Facebook and it shows up here. Sometimes your search results can have a lot of apps that look similar, so make sure you're looking at the correct app. When you tap an app, you'll see more details on the right. There's previews, technical details, and user reviews. Then you will tap Install to download the app. Downloading will take a moment depending on your internet speed, and once the app is ready, you'll see an Open button here that you can tap to launch the app. And you're done. Then just log in with your account or create a new one if you don't have one already. Once you exit the app, you'll find it in the app drawer. You can tap, hold, and drag it to your preferred position within the app drawer, assuming your app drawer is set to the default custom order instead of an alphabetical order. If you want to add Facebook to your home screen, you can tap and hold the app, and from the options that open up, you'll choose Add to Home. And once again, on the home screen, you can tap and drag it to your preferred position. And that's it. Click that like button if this helped you and subscribe for more easy guides like this.